Alright guys, here's my bike check. Black Eye Killorado 2008. Here we go. Eastern bars in brown. They're 28 inches wide, 8-inch rise. Nice bars, are really good for the jumps and stuff. Stolen Money grips, glow in the dark. I love them with the flanges, they're really nice. Odyssey brake lever. It's a very good brake lever with an animal brake cable. Stock Miraco stem. I got it off my old bike. Stock Miraco forks. Eastern nitrous front double shot front wheel. Laced to a nitrous hub with 14G spokes, alloy nipples in black. The Kenda K-Rad 2.125 tire on the front. With a peg on the left side. Black Eye Killorado frame 2008. It's an amazing frame. It's super light. Shadow Conspiracy 25 tooth front sprocket with Miraco cranks and black label pedals. They're plastic, but I don't like metal ones because they hurt your legs. Black label pivotal seat with nitrous seat post. Just a normal chain, silver, gray, whatever you want to call it. I got it at my local bike shop. You can get it anywhere. They say it's supposed to not stretch, but I still have to tighten it a lot. Odyssey 1999 brakes. They're caliper brakes. They're pretty decent for what they are because they're not that great anymore considering all the new types. Eastern nitrous double shot rear wheel. It's a great wheel. It holds for everything I want to do. Laced to a nitrous hub with Primo forged white and pink spokes with purple alloy nipples. They're 14G spokes. They're really nice. I got them off Dan's Comp. Kenda contact tire. It's a great tire for multi-surface things like dirt, park, street, whatever you want to do. Another peg on the left side. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more parts after Christmas or so. Thank you for watching.